Hey Jay. She ain't talking to you, but you yeah, not you.
I got a question.
Give me your Instagram.
Let's send it through. Send them racks through.
But
Yeah.
no. But no.
Yeah.
I ain't want none. I just kind of tell you I was back, bitch.
Can we stay home
bitch.
tonight?
She ain't talking to you, but you yeah, not you.
That was hella poppin'.
How old are you in the bottom with the nose piercings? I mean tongue piercings.
No, shut up.
18.
He look like
Bess.
no. He look like a Timu Quando Rondo.
Rondo.
I'm sorry. Ignore her.
Yeah. What's your name?
Jocelyn.
You said what?
Jocelyn.
Jocelyn. What's your nickname?
Ah.
What? Lynn?
Jay. She a hater.
Jay? Your nickname Jay?
Yes.
So we twins. We 24. You don't. What's your Instagram?
It's the letter J.
Hold on.
And
She's bagging hella.
no, I'm not.
You're a liar.
Hey, I've seen this one. This is a classic.
Oh my God.
Hello. I like your room.
Just listen to the song.
Like, damn, nobody wouldn't even, I wouldn't even giving her a compliment. I was giving the damn room a compliment. Like, damn.
Ow.
Was that you saying hello or something?
Yeah.
Oh, it looked like you was raising your hand to ask a question or so.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I want to get the other side of my ears pierced.
Yeah, how many pieces you got?
Three over here. My helix. And then I have a belly ring, and that's it.
Bless the nose.
Oh yeah, my nose, and that's it.
7, 8, 9, 10 with the hand. You got any tattoos?
Yes, Daddy.
Where?
I have a spine tattoo.
What is?
Check nah.
Oh, you don't?
No, for real, don't play like that.
I wish. I want to get one soon.
How long is from here?
I don't know, cause I don't even know like what I want it to like look like. Like I know I want a spine tattoo, but I don't know how I would make it unique to me. You know what I'm saying?
You got Instagram or something?
Yes, Daddy.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, you want me to request something? Cause I do need some money too.
No. You gotta send it through. Send them racks through. Yeah.
Fuck no. Fuck no.
Yes.
Fuck.
Why the fuck?
Luca.
Hello.
Let's watch some crazy stuff, yo.
Can we stay home tonight?
Hey.
Oh, you don't sound like your voice, but it don't sound like that. Like you just don't sound like you. You don't sound like how you look, if that makes sense. You look like you sound different. Yeah.
What the fuck you trying to say?
No, it ain't nothing wrong
My
with it.
voice bad?
No,
Bitch,
your
I
voice
sound like a
good.
bitch. I don't know. It was giving me trying to say something else.
No, you just, you feel me? But what's your name?
Nivea.
Nivea.
Please. I don't have no ammo. My bad.
You got Instagram? Or your number? Because I really don't use Instagram. But if you don't give out your number, then I'll get your Instagram.
Yeah, you can have my number. Just don't tell nobody.
Y'all know what's going on.
Okay. 910.
Hey, what the hell? Why?
I don't know. You better calm down talking like that if you can't make your ass clap. What happened? How you whores doing today? Hello. like your tag. Let me see your tag. No.
It's okay if you are.
I'm not.
Oh. What'd you ask me?
Ask. Where you from?
From New York, but I stay in Jersey right now.
You planning on traveling somewhere?
Yeah, I plan on going to really traveling the whole world for real.
The world, so you trying to go out this country?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, that's
Yeah, I
kind of
deserve
scary.
a vacation.
You got me.
A vacation? Oh, so we both going there.
Come on.
Okay. What's your number?
That's too fast.
So like, I'ma call you.
Is this nigga serious?
You gonna call me?
Yeah.
I like you, man. You lie a lot.
Okay.
Nah.
Hey, I knew it, bro.
Hello.
Yeah.
I like your little nose piercing.
Thanks.
You got any tattoos? What year say? What do you
Just
say?
that my mom's death day, and it says forever love.
Where you from?
KC.
I wanted to go out there, but like I ain't have a reason except the football. But now we doing good, so I ain't gotta go out there.
You're funny. You got jokes, huh?
If you can make a girl laugh and giggle, you can make that ass clap and jiggle.
Something like that. What's your name?
Bree.
Okay.
Well, it's Brianna, but it's Bree for short.
What's your number?
816.
God damn!
Hello.
Oh!
Fuck! I like your nose piercings. But you got braces too.
Huh?
Say I like your nose piercings. I saying your braces. What's your name?
Alexis, your baby.
What's your ethnicity?
Hispanic.
Why you look like that? Like what? Damn, that's like racist. That's just somebody asked what's mine. Hello, fuck nigga.
Oh!
What's up, fat nigga?
Who you calling a fuck nigga for, nigga?
You just called me a fat nigga. What
Yeah, cause you a fuck nigga. You don't call me a fuck nigga, cause I call you a fuck nigga. You a fuck nigga, so I call you a fuck nigga. You don't call me a fuck nigga. I ain't no fuck nigga.
You is a fat nigga.
You right. I am a fuck nigga. I be lying. I'm a fuck nigga.
You got me.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, well, I was gonna cover my face, but
I like your eyes. You got, I don't know what kind of eyes. They look like the husky eyes. What the heck?
husky.
Yeah. Like we got one, so it looked just like those. I got a question. Do it clap?
Oh!
What?
Do it clap?
What does that mean?
Are you fucking dumb?
Do it clap?
Yeah.
I thought you said do we clap.
Hell you mean we?
I'm white, so probably not.
Hello. Oh shit, you a YN. Never mind. Oh shit. Oh, you said yeah. Oh, you are a YN for sure. I ain't gonna lie, I've been needing me a little YN. A little mini me YN. So, you should give me your number.
Oh!
Damn, you a disrespectful ass YN. Oh yeah. That's what I like. That's why I need your number.
Hello. Oh wait, no, stop. Hello. Are we on YouTube?
No.
Okay.
Y'all are on
Are you
YouTube.
Huh?
Y'all are on YouTube.
Really? Hey, YouTube. Follow me on Instagram. Kanaya Ki.
You lying? Yeah.
Oh!
Jail time. Every time I do something weird, we get a streamer.
I'm not a streamer, but what you putting your feet up there for?
Oh, I can skip people with my foot, but that's for another time.
Oh.
You want to find? Wait, I can add you.
No, like when you find that out though, like.
Is this nigga serious?
I sent you a request.
I ain't accepting that.
I really feel like we ain't working now.
Hello. How old are you?
Doesn't it say?
You 22.
Yeah.
So what year you was born?
2000. Two.
No, see? Yeah, look at you.
This is fake. This fake.
This a fake?
Yeah, that's Photoshop. That's fake. On my mama, that's fake. On my heart, on my life, my little brother grave, I could die right now. That's fake.
Hello.
Give me your Instagram.
I like this. I like this, nigga. I like this, nigga.
Give me your Instagram.
Do it then, nigga.
Oh. That's what I'm talking about. That's why he's the MVP. That's why he's the GOAT.
No, stop doing that. Stop doing that. Stop.
Chill out.
I like entertainment.
Thank you.
Look good too. Y'all makes you pretty. But what's going on for the ceiling right there?
It was a cloud like.
Oh, LED. Yeah. Okay. Where you
My
from?
little brother ripped it down.
Oh, you from the south. Where you from?
New Orleans.
New Orleans. I ain't familiar with people around here. Dang, your eyes open? You can see me? Oh, okay. My fault. But what you was saying?
I said, wait, what is?
I don't remember. I just seen your eyes. Actually, they look pretty. They look good. But what's your name?
I'm new.
Your name is New? That's different. But you got Instagram, New?
Yes, Daddy.
What's your Instagram?
I got all the hoes.
Have a little, yeah, come over. I'm gonna pull this back. What happened?
That don't work.
Oh no. Got too many people watching me. Bye.